Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix and spray LiME's 90s neon red. You can either get in the pigment maker, which is basically just what it says, a pigment, a powdered form, or you can get it already mixed up and you just add reducer to it. Depending on, if you need a large quantity or small quantity, will kind of depend on what you get. If you're just looking for small projects, get the pigment maker. Bigger projects, get it in a can already pre-mixed. The other items we're going to need, I'm going to show you how to use the pigment maker. This that's already in the can, you just mix it 50-50 with reducer, with the LiME reducer right here. So we'll put that out of the way. So we're going to mix the pigment maker right here. So what you're going to need is you're going to need LiME's clear base coat. And I just have it in a bottle right here, clear base coat. Just makes it easier to mix. And then you're going to need some LiME's reducer, which I have in this bottle right here. So let's put these two off to the side here. And then I have my mixing cup. So this is that's the full volume, and that's 50%. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our clear base coat and fill it up to the first line. Then we're going to add 50% more of reducer. We're going to get our clear base coat mixture made up first, and then we'll add the pigment to it. So let's get started here. Just fill this all the way up to that first line. There we go. Then we'll take our reducer, fill it up to the second line. And this is about 3 ounces, a little bit less than 3 ounces, just so I could fit in the cup here. So now we're going to mix these two together. Just give it a quick stir. Okay, now we're going to take the 90s red, you can see there. And it comes with this spoon here. Now the directions on this, so it says mix the 1 scoop of pigment powder with 1 ounce of LiME clear, or this whole container to 12 ounces. So like I said, we have 3 ounces here, so we're going to do 3 scoops. And 3. And you just give this a good mix until it's all mixed in. And it does come with, when you buy the pigment maker, it comes with a little filter. We recommend you filter this out before you put it in your spray gun. Now, if you're going to use this in an airbrush, this is just a 50-50 mix with reducer. If you're going to use it in your airbrush, you're going to want to go a little bit more reducer in it. But this is a good starting point at 50-50, because now once you mix this, you can put this in a container and save it. It won't harden up or go bad because you just mixed it with reducer. And then you'll put it in your airbrush and kind of add reducer as needed. Okay, there we go. It's all mixed up, and that's all there is to it. We'll get it in our spray gun, and I'll show you it spraying on. Like I said, it comes with a little filter. So we're just going to filter this real quick. I'll just show you it being filtered here. Just pour that in. And we're going to run out of room in our cup there, so we'll just let it go in here. Now you're ready to spray.